So today is wash day, Raymond's at work, and so I've got the pleasure of taking all the washing and just taking Prince for a walk. And now we've got all that washing and we'll get some drinking water as well. So recycle all our rubbish, and that's my plans for today. Once I've done that, I'll try and go home, have a clean up. It's always easier to clean up when Raymond's not there, and I've got to get a lot done when he's there, to be fair. I clean up, he makes a mess. It's just the way it works. And then I'll try and cook something nice because he's working on a bank holiday and I'm not, so I'll try and make him something nice for his dinner. So I've not long got back to the boat. It's 29 degrees on there at the minute, really hot, so I've put the fan on, I've removed some of the windows, trying to get a little bit of draft come through because I'm going to make some jacket potatoes, and putting the oven on for a good couple of hours in this heat isn't probably the best idea I've had, but I've been craving all day jacket potatoes with tuna mayonnaise and some salads, so that's the plan. And I'm going to have a little clean up while Raymond's at work, so yeah, I'll see how we get on. So now I've got the fan on and it's going to cool down the boat a little bit. I'm just going to put my oil burner on, put a few drops of oil in because this makes the boat smell really nice. Put a few drops in there. There we go. Let's that one restore. Let's see if it restores me, and hopefully get the lid on properly. There we go. Get it smelling relaxing. Play a little bit of music. Alexa, play some relaxing music.
The station, laid back pop on Amazon Music.
And now I've got to clean up and I don't know where to start. So first things first, I need to get some water in the Phoenix Gravity just to try and make sure we've got enough purified water for later. It's a bit of it wide. 4 bottles later. So this water system does hold up to 8 litres of water. It's been a game changer for us really, because even though we can get the water from the service points on the canals, I don't really trust drinking it, so I just try and filter the water through this, and we've never had any issues. I do tend to always boil my water as well, mainly because unless I'm drinking wine, the only other thing I tend to drink is coffee. Okay, so I think the next thing I'm going to do is prepare some potatoes for dinner this evening. I'll do 3 because Raymond might want 2. I'm going to make jacket potatoes and tuna mayonnaise. So I'm just going to get a bit of fresh water, just give my potatoes a little bit of a wash. And give the potatoes a stab. Try not to stab my hands. I've given the potatoes a little bit of a wash and dry them off. Probably not going to make a massive difference, but it's a bit weird if I don't give them a quick wash and dry. foil. These are the jacket potatoes are all ready to go into the oven. Go in there, and we'll just leave them on for a while to cook. And a quick hoover. Sunglasses on. I'm not really that nuts, but sofa hoover. That will do for a minute. Okay, so now I've done all the washing. I've got to remake the beds. Did I mention it's nearly 30 degrees? Absolutely sweating. But it will be nice later tonight, getting in a nice fresh bed. Boats are so tight, there's not much space to get around anywhere. That's the sheet on. 100 pillowcases to do now. I've got to clean the windows. So these are underbed storage, and we keep all our bedding and sheets, pillowcases, etc. in here. And they're dead handy because they're just got wheels on, so they slide underneath the bed, and they hold quite a bit really. What I like about this duvet cover, I don't know where I got it from to be fair, had it a little while, but it's got a zip. It's amazing. So I don't have to do all those horrible little buttons up and spend an hour trying to fasten it all together. I can literally just find my zip. Oh. It's because I said it was easy and now I've lost the zip. Oh, there it is. That's pretty good. I think they should do all duvet covers with zips. That will do. Okay, just trying to clean the curtains, the windows, the TV. It doesn't matter how many times clean the windows. I mean, that has got to be done outside, but we're facing the wrong way at the minute. TV. Absolutely sweating. I bet I'm working harder than Raymond. I bet he's hiding somewhere at work in the toilets whilst I'm sweating. I might have to go stand on the edge of the boat because there's lots of cobwebs out there. Just trying to clean the solar panels a little bit, get the maximum amount of sun, and then make sure that they're turning the right way. Try not to fall down the edge because I've done that before and it's not very good. The outside windows are white too. Boat needs a bit of a sweep off. How filthy. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of solar now. Time for a nice little drink to cool me down. So we've got pina colada. Nice and cool. Cheers everyone. So half of the jobs are done and I'm just going to have a little rest. Got a really nice cold pina colada, the fan's on, the windows are out and I'm going to chill. Okay, so I've had to sit down for 10 minutes. I'm going to go turn the engine on because when Raymond gets back from work potentially he's going to want to have a nice shower, and if he wants a hot shower we have no hot water yet. Just make the boat rattle and it's very noisy. So leave that on and get some hot water. So whilst we was out shopping I got some sample wallpaper because when the bathroom's finished I'm going to start on the bedroom, and I was thinking maybe wallpapering it. I quite like that. I don't know what everyone thinks. Let me know what you think. Put a comment in the comment section below. Should I wallpaper it? Should I panel it? Should I just paint it? I don't really know. But I've seen a couple of boats that have had wallpaper and they do look quite nice. So yeah, we'll see. Right, so I'm just gonna check the jacket potatoes. Got about half an hour before Raymond's home from work, so I'm going to make some tuna mayonnaise to go with the potatoes, pretty much, that is my day. I'm not quite done yet, probably another half an hour, 40 minutes, and then they will be done, which is perfect timing for when Raymond gets home. He's so lucky to have someone like me who does the cooking and the cleaning on their day off. That's the end of today's little video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and whatever you've been doing today on your bank holiday, I hope you have a little bit of time to get outside and enjoy the sunshine. So until next time, have a good day.